The key to being successful is to have proper focus. Our proper focus was on operations and marketing. What we weren't successful at was being innovative and being on the forefront of technology. So we outsourced that to Cybera, particularly because it keeps the headaches down for a business owner. What Cybera does is stay up for us substantially 100% of the time and allows us to monitor when we're down or when we're not down. They connected our broadband, they connected our security, they connected our PCI concerns with them within our broadband infrastructure. They come, they interview you, they understand the problems, they embrace what you're looking for with a set of solutions that connect you to where you need to be. And where I need to be is I don't want to worry about IT. I don't want to worry about broadband connection. I don't want to worry about the headaches that are on with PCI compliance. Before we met with Cybera, we had a satellite, we had routing devices, we had connectivity, we had 2 or 3 things, including DSL and broadband connections, that could go wrong. With Cybera, the device that they offer allows you to say, okay, I go to one source and choose them to help me solve that problem and be proactive. Now with loyalty, with other aspects of your business and the cloud and sharing of information, you absolutely have to have uptime 100% of the time. You've got customers at your pumps that are expecting and have no excuse for not delivering their loyalty points. That's when the backup really solves a lot of your problems. The loyalty has allowed us to create our own environment through partnerships with Shell and partnerships with Exxon to compete with these very difficult to compete with unbranded competitors that have been a bit out front of us, and we're catching up quickly and adapting in this loyalty environment. Cybera offered a solution even with a more dated POS system. Cybera came in, solved the problem, developed an app that could both interface with the older version of the Passport 6.0 version to the 802 version. They adapted quickly, they addressed my concerns up front, and they solved the problem.